My video guide will help you to remove the pop-ups by the website Seewhatisbuzzing.com. Seewhatisbuzzing.com. These pop-ups may attack Google Chrome, Firefox, and other popular browsers. Pop-ups are very dangerous like that because they try to force people into subscribing to the multiple ads that are displayed as push notifications. Some of them you can already see delivered by some other similar sites. If you click on them by mistake, you may be forwarded to a lot of other questionable sites that try to infect your system with potentially unwanted programs. So speaking about Seewhatisbuzzing.com, do not interact with these pop-ups, no matter how intrusive and tricky they are. If you have mistakenly clicked on the Allow button in those pop-ups, you should undertake the measures to get rid of them. So, access the menu, click on Settings, choose Security and Privacy, then Site Settings. Go to Permissions area and click on Notifications. Now pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. If you see this malicious site, Seewhatisbuzzing.com, remove it from the list and remove other junk sites from this list. So these simple steps should actually fix your browser and get rid of these multiple ads from your screen. To make sure that the device is free of other threats, I would strongly advise scanning with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the website combocleaner.com. Download the program through this green button, install it, and start researching your computer to detect and eliminate other threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.